abusia X user bi bichimu Twitter abusia omu user baako wakoje nani so na me ne wo kasa yi sie ya yiguso ayi abusia wo hwemi wakoje nani so wo Shatta Wale ni nsem waye aya ma Shatta Wale ene SM etima ka ese no ono na ne generation wose ka bebo no wode nsem bebre so aka ho ye Twitter ni page no so abusia na one of the abusive app on this USA nyina no is X. Baby a bully media people. Baby a bullying kofo. No be timi nya potere rapport ho pan no de to a X abusia. Formerly known as Twitter. Elon Musk na business idea they call X. Jaguar me fan semni na so moye Kama Studios. Na this fight going on between Shatta Wale and sa X user ya make one abusia. News no trendy. Obi be ka one asem. Edi enti na SM bo no dia. Ma me jebre na me fan nyina so moye Kama Studios. Na mum nani de dikanya. Subscribe to this platform. Share video mu adofo ne mpanimfo no bibia no mu hu de koso social media no so no bibia so fanya asua de because asem ne mu ewrem ne mu asefem me for mu ran sem ni nam. It is very simple busia. Twitter, formerly known Twitter, now X, is one of the apps are open bibia ye chese ye nti obi to won ye horo no ho a eho ye tweeti ho asem akoto a e ka akoma wan no bi go wanya ration stone bia fa ngu akoma ho pa na loku se bia busuya obeyare. So what I say obeyare na mame from Muranse mu nyina mu Shatta Wale one of the artists in this country busuya always bon so we news no bia bon se Shatta Wale wum ene obeka obi ho asem ene oni bi benya beef na mum beef de one ex user abranti be your friend Kofi the nickname Labyrinth_Lama na okotwiti nsemi fa Shatta Wale hu eno ne nam so ne Shatta Wale tima bonu dua se ka bebo no na inafofo be san be tweeti ye Twitter ho na X ho awmo hu se da bi nkom so wo share na bom ni bia bo no obo no adwuma anwenti nsemi ode to dwane wo say dey there rant. You see how okonfo kwa they do san so now you go do John adventure tweet na very simple. Was say Shatta Wale intana ho no one kasa no nye de social media no so say they will be intimi no get money pass everybody. Nobody is rich in this country and I'm fighting for the music industry. Nobody is why net any principalities and in eba so bia wusia adventure is one trans no nwe no kasa said you comfort kwa dey the situation ya obi be can wasam so already nkopon heal you comfort kwa dey man if you any pa me live was there do the meye bia me dey yi mum dey but what I say said the life na sia ye na Ghana for ye plead nyankopon say won ton to pangu na brabo so na bibia ansa nye kama na busia sa na Shatta Wale so brabo be owi no sande John to aso na John no kan na busia nye John Dramani Mahama dabi enye John Ajekum Kofo dabi enye John Evans Atamis dabi enye John na nado dan kwa Kofo dabi enye John Bawomia enye John na po nemum John aye kase obi e John achese wo de wani mie ye wadwene wo fom sa na branti pa kire ene SMC dabi abranti wa yama na ni tia na ni nton abodwese ebeto wani ntonwi so what I say abodwese wi ebeto wani ntonwi enti ono so de nsem bibi na to dwa wo say and so shall your entire generation amen any first line Shatta Wale de to was say abranti nsem a waka nyina no saa ena na sefuo nyina ebebo mo so eno de amen to so say wakata sokra. Second line was handed by Usian was say I catch you today cargo knock you pe me boduane ka be bo pe Shatta Wale second line or the two one. Third line was say your friends go come right about this tweet soon eno de moja to eno say just mark am enough for be san ba social media no so ba bia o tweet ni nsem no guye no o masa be ka se da bi Shatta Wale dua bo wa bo no eno na ba mu ko ska bo na ko amon trend to ba bia nsuo nka enni na wotwe ba ko mienu miensa enan so mfisia ka ba bo na ma chese ye de ba kokoto konfo no teaching hospital ama ade aye no into so mo social media na you don't get to see person but you dey bully am for social media. X no so no we Shatta Wale ni nsamo a wade ma mo wase ka bebo mo nyina mo ntata won na mo twitwitwiti Aye. But there is this one thing that people don't get to know about social media. Just like we the content creators, example for like me, I am here with my phone, my camera, and then the person recording me. And you see, I can talk whatever I want at this moment about anybody that I wish to. But you see, when I get out of this studio and I go outside, I just open my door and I step outside. And when I meet the person, I can't want them in the studio now, it will be very hard for me to even greet the person. My conscious no before. And at the same time, the person, the level that the person has reached, you see, outside world is different from social media world. And people don't get to know that when they see social media, they just want to bully you. But you see, when they meet you in person, they cannot do anything about that. They cannot even get closer because they are not your co-equals. So I don't really understand people always go for problems. And someone is also cursing you. Remember, Shatta Wale is very influential. He controls the streets. Most of the streets, he controls them. He is one of the biggest artists that we have ever seen in the country. Shatta Wale is even richer than you. Shatta Wale, I don't know the guy's age, but I feel like Shatta Wale might be older than you. And then imagine, so this is the news that is trending Abusia. My small knowledge and my small thing where I see people they do for social media, we they not see say you know good no be see. Then they try want this anybody with emotions and their frustration will be problem kakaraka. As we are here about school or banana whatever. Now doing enough frustration. So what I say, and then that person when he is having that frustration or could be posters, you know, with their time. But when you meet the person, Charlie, it will be hard for you to even say hi to the person because you are not on his pedigree, on his level. How am I doing? Basically, I'm going to the comment section as a branch. Kufi labyrinth underscore lama agina ni so much Shatta Wale ebo no bia na me no kase ese ka bebo no wadwon kire wo ho ne se ebe adwuma na se nya adwuma mo wadwon kire na fe share mo abusuafo no bibiara owo fie no bia so hu se da bi me bi se ne ko social media ne nyina yemfa nya asua de se da be ya da foforo bia no ba foforo so nkoto nsan yem hi Kama Studios. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. And then you don't forget to subscribe to this platform, share and free. Subscribe.